In this video, I will show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 and secure boot. For example, you might see this error when you try to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11. When you use the PC Health Check app, it will show that your computer doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements. If you try to upgrade using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, you would get this error and couldn't continue. So, to upgrade to Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 and secure boot, we need to use the in-place upgrade method with an ISO installation file. First, visit the official Windows 11 download site. Scroll down to download the Windows 11 ISO. This step is very important. You need to choose the language for the ISO that matches the current display language of your Windows system. If you choose a different language, when you upgrade, the option to keep your data, settings, and apps will not be available. For example, this computer uses English United States, so I will select English US for the ISO file. Once the file is downloaded, let's mount it to your computer. Next, instead of opening the setup.exe file directly, let's select it, hold down the Shift key, and then right-click on the file. Select Copy as Path to copy the full path of the file. Now, search for CMD. Right-click and run it as administrator. Right-click to paste the copied path. Run this command to upgrade to Windows 11 and bypass all requirements. You will see the title Install Windows Server, but don't worry, Windows 11 will actually be installed. When upgrading, make sure to select Keep Files, Settings, and Apps to keep everything. Finally, click Install to continue. It might take up to an hour to finish. Your computer will restart a few times during the process, so please be patient. As you can see, the computer has been successfully upgraded. All your data and installed apps remain. Additionally, after upgrading, if you are not happy with Windows 11 within 10 days, you can go back to the previous version without losing any data or needing to reinstall. This is possible as long as the Windows.old folder on your system drive is still available. This folder is automatically deleted after 10 days, which is why you can only go back within this period. To do this, let's open Windows Settings. Select the System section. Scroll down and select Recovery. Click the Go Back button to revert to the previous version. If the 10-day period is over or the Windows.old folder is deleted, the Go Back button will be disabled. If you want to go back, you will need to do a clean installation. You can click No Thanks to skip checking for updates. Click Next to continue. If you have changed your sign-in password, after reverting to the previous version, you will need to use your old password to log in, not the new one. Finally, click Go Back to earlier build to complete the process. Your computer will restart automatically, and this may take some time, so please be patient. As you can see, the system has been reverted to the previous version without any data loss or reinstallation. Additionally, this method also works if you're trying to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. The steps are the same. You need to download and mount the latest Windows 11 ISO to the computer. Then run the in-place upgrade with the custom switch. It might take up to an hour to finish. Your computer will restart a few times during the process, so please be patient. As you can see, Windows 10 has been successfully upgraded to Windows 11. All your data and installed apps are still there. And within 10 days after upgrading, you will also be able to go back to Windows 10 without any data loss. Your computer will restart automatically, and this may take some time, so please be patient. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.